radiant, a symphony of starlight, infinite ethereal. Riding the solar winds, 1,000 suns ignite. We claim the sky with our defiance, a legacy written in cosmic fire. We claim the sky with our defiance. From silent voids where starlight died, my spirit's wings were open wide. I broke the shackles of the shade. For this ascent my soul was made. Ride the skyline's fire, a new horizon's calling higher. We are the guardians of the light, guardians of the light. Charcoal whispers on the vellum white, summoning phantoms in the fading light. This sigil breeze, a vortex from the page, a ritual of creation and of rage. The sketchbook is a doorway dark and deep, awakening the entities that sleep. My art has transfigured to a fearsome thing, a gateway to an ethereal manifestation. Legacy written in cosmic fire, we claim the sky with our